Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review on a hype website COINZINC.com, which is high yield investment program. Generally we know as hype site. It is saying your hourly money making machine. Wow, easy like 1 2 3. Earn hourly, withdraw instantly, DDoS protection, deposit as low as $5, minimum withdraw is $0.1, 5 years trading experience. Okay, started April 2, 2018, running date 45, total deposit this, total withdrawal this. About COINZINC company. COINZINC is a registered company in United Kingdom, and our main business is to cryptocurrency trading and Bitcoin mining industry. This. Here is the registration certificate also, company number. You can view detail from here. Visitor online 1576, members online 91, total account 8,888 and 5,163 active accounts. So here is the investment plan. Choose the investment plan. Coin starter 1.45% to 1.6%, hourly for 72 hours, minimum $5, maximum $3,000, instant cash out, referral commission 3%. Okay, second is Coin Master 2.8% to 3.3%, hourly for 40 hours, minimum 300, maximum deposit is $30,000. Coin Satoshi 13% to 18%, hourly for 20 hours, like this. Okay, you can create account from here, and you can see top investor here, investor status here, last investor here, paid out here. You can see testimonials, what people saying. You can create account from here. How to start? Just open account, make deposit, earn profit hourly, cash out instantly. Okay, we accept Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Perfect Money, Pair, Advertise. Here is the FAQ section, how to invest, support, and address, and live chat support also, which I have used already. Okay, now I am going to show you how to create account. Open your account from here. It is very easy. Type your full name, username, password, retype password, transaction code. This is very important thing. The code is need to withdraw your fund. So please remember the code. You will use it when you make withdraw. Retype transaction code here, like a password, email address, retype email, secret question and secret answer. Payment information, you can fill any of these which you would like to use later. Perfect money, Payer, Advertise, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, which you have and wish to use to deposit here. And I agree with terms and condition. Click here and hit the register button. So when you register, you can log in from here. So I am going to log in. Okay, username, password, login. Sorry, this is not taking login side because I need to go to login area first. Here is password. Login. There was a problem because I gone to registration page before, so I am successfully logged in now. You can see main dashboard here, username, IP, registration date, account balance, earn total, active deposit, all these. You can make deposit from here, withdraw from here, edit account from here, get banners from here. Okay, last deposit is $10, total deposit $15, last withdrawal $5.22, total withdraw $5.22. Okay, this is my dashboard. Now first of all you have to go through the deposit section and make deposit. You can deposit as little as $5. You can select amount here, how many dollars you would like to invest here, and the select payment processor, perfect money, Payer, Advertise, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and click the spend button. Your deposit will show in your deposit section here like this. Your deposits, I just made a deposit in, it will expire in 2 days, amount $10. Like this, any plan your deposit will show like this, and you can see deposit history from here. You can see history here. My first deposit was $5 when I got payment from this site, and I invest $10 today. I just got payment earlier today. Here is the withdraw section. You can withdraw fund from here. when you finished your plan. Due to coin payment request, minimum withdraw for Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum is $2. If you withdraw less than $2, we will pay it manually, not instantly. Other payment is $0.1 instantly cash out. You can put it here and request for withdraw. Okay, here you can add or edit your accounts, perfect money account, Payer account, Advertise account, Litecoin account, Ethereum, Bitcoin, etc. Here you can edit. My withdraw history, I would like to show you my withdrawal history. Yeah, withdraw to account, this batch number, this is $5.22. Today 2018, May 17, 2018. I just got payment from this site. I want to show you my wallet also, which I have got payment from this site. Here you can see $5.21, 35 confirmation, and you can see here transaction ID also. Transaction ID, this transaction ID is showing on my COINZINC account also. You can see here payment batch is same here. Okay, now I am going to show you my second deposit. Here I made a deposit of $10, which is 31 confirmation already. Okay friends, this is my review on this COINZINC hype site with payment proof. I just got a payment from this site and I am investing little money here, and you can also invest and earn hourly. It pays and paying me, but invest in your own risk, because the many hype site is gun scam. I am not guarantee how long this site will work. Its license is for 2017 to 2027. Hope this site will run long time and we can keep earning. Okay friends, if you like to invest and earn like this, you can join this site. The link is given on description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more update, and see you again. Goodbye.